Hello my dear friends, welcome back to CSCR at home. Timetable for day 57 to day 63. Morning 5 to 6 a.m. Study components of blood. Okay, this is a 1 hour time, okay, 5 to 6 a.m. But you need to take break in between. That is, first you need to study 5 to 5:30, then take a break, 5-minute break. Then study from 5:35 to 6 a.m. Okay, then take a 5-minute break. Then study from 6:05 to 7 a.m. Okay, take a 5 minutes break in every 30 minutes. Okay, so 5 to 6 a.m. components of blood. 6 to 7 a.m. sea urchin, that is developmental biology, sea urchin, early cleavage. 9 to 10 a.m. genetic rearrangements in progenitor cells, Bruce Alberts. 10 to 11 a.m. stat. Okay, from this week onwards we can start studying stat. Which one? Measures of central tendency, Kothari. 11 to 12 p.m. previous year question. Okay, solve the previous year questions, December 2019. Then 12 to 1 p.m. origin, development and structure of blood cells. Which book to refer? Tortora. 3 to 4 p.m. revise photosynthesis. Then 4 to 5 p.m. blastula formation, Gilbert. 6 to 7 p.m. RBC life cycle, Tortora. 7 to 8 p.m. fate maps and determination of sea urchin blastomeres, Gilbert, that is developmental biology. Then 9 to 10 p.m. revise, 10 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes. Okay, when you prepare short notes, try to prepare your own words. Okay, day 58, morning 5 to 6 a.m. study oncogenes. 6 to 7 a.m. erythropoiesis, Tortora. 9 to 10 a.m. sea urchin gastrulation. 10 to 11 a.m. tumor suppressor gene, studied from Karp. 11 to 12 p.m. stat. Okay, now we can study measures of dispersion, Kothari. If you don't have the book, please comment. Okay, we can upload in Telegram group. 12 to 1 p.m. sea urchin invagination of the archenteron, first stage, Gilbert. 3 to 4 p.m. blood clotting. 4 to 5 p.m. revise ecology. 6 to 7 p.m. previous year questions. 7 to 8 p.m. the blood clotting factors. This is very important. Then 10 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. 6 to 7 a.m. study sea urchin, invagination of the archenteron, second and third stage, Gilbert. 9 to 10 a.m. again study stat, the level of significance, which book to refer? Kothari. 10 to 11 a.m. the blood clotting cascade. This is important. Then 11 to 12 p.m. study cancer and cell cycle. In the previous week you have studied cell cycle. Okay, now just connect it with cancer. Okay, you have to refer Karp and Bruce Alberts. Then 12 to 1 p.m. previous year questions. 3 to 4 p.m. in stat, study stat type 1 and type 2. Then 4 to 5 p.m. blood groups and blood type. Which book to refer? Tortora. 6 to 7 p.m. revise chromatography. 7 to 8 p.m. stat, two-tailed and one-tailed test. Then 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 60, morning sickle cell disease, hemophilia. 6 to 7 a.m. stat, flow diagram for hypothesis test. Then 9 to 10 a.m. early development in tunicates, Gilbert, that is developmental biology. Then 10 to 11 a.m. previous year questions, 2019 December, CPAT. 11 to 12 p.m. structure of heart. 12 to 1 p.m. stat, hypothesis testing of proportions. Then 3 to 4 p.m. revise proteins. 4 to 5 p.m. early development in tunicates. 6 to 7 p.m. study structure of heart. 7 to 8 p.m. virus induced cancer, Bruce Alberts. 9 to 11 revise and prepare short notes. Day 61, heart valves and circulation of blood. 6 to 7 a.m. sea urchin, gene regulatory networks. 9 to 10 a.m. metastasis, step in the process of metastasis, Bruce Alberts. 10 to 11 a.m. revise enzymes. 11 to 12 p.m. study stat, hypothesis testing for difference between proportions, which book to refer? Kothari. 12 to 1 p.m. heart valves and circulation of blood. 3 to 4 p.m. previous year questions. 4 to 5 p.m. Name of some parametric test along with test situations. 6 to 7 p.m. apoptosis. 7 to 8 p.m. the conduction system of heart. Then 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 62 apoptosis. Bruce Alberts. 6 to 7 a.m. action potential in the ventricular contractile fiber. 9 to 10 a.m. vitamins, folic acid and B12 studied from our video. Okay. 10 to 11 a.m. stat problems. There are so many problems. Okay. This is the page number 202 to 203. Just work on these problems. 11 to 12 p.m. electrocardiogram. This is also very important. Then 12 to 1 p.m. previous year questions. 3 to 4 p.m. stat problems. 4 to 5 p.m. revised cell cycle. 6 to 7 p.m. the cardiac cycle, Tortora. 7 to 8 p.m. again problems on stat. 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 63, morning 5 to 6 a.m. revise fatty acid. 6 to 7 a.m. revise embryology. 9 to 10 a.m. the cardiac cycle, Tortora. 10 to 11 a.m. previous year questions. Then 11 to 12 p.m. revise cancer. 12 to 1 p.m. apoptosis previous year questions. Work on the previous year questions on apoptosis. Then 3 to 4 p.m. revise blood clotting. 4 to 5 p.m. revise heart. 6 to 7 p.m. revise stat. Okay. Then 7 to 8 p.m. again revise stat. Then 9 to 11 p.m. you can watch the videos on CSIR daily dose. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.